Hey guys, okay, so the last part of this assignment is to go ahead and spin out 3 colorways using your color card. So your color card are the main hues in your Photoshop artwork. It's totally fine if you change one of the hues, make it darker or lighter. So you're changing the shade or the tint, that's fine. So my color card's pretty much good to go. I'm gonna go to Photoshop. I already worked on a warm colorway. I kind of like keeping in the blue with this warm colorway. So to save it to share with the class, you can either just export the PNG or if you want, you can even drop it into a garment. It's up to you how you guys want to share with the class, but I do want to see at least 3 colorways. So quick, easy export, just file, export, quick export is PNG. You can post this, or that's also really easy to just throw into Illustrator and put it into the swatch library so that you could use it as a fill in a garment if you want. Okay, so to do my last colorway, I'm gonna, it's always good to save your PSD artwork too, so I might want to go File, Save As, and remember where you're saving it. I'm not in charge of that. And just, you know, probably give it a name as far as like warm colorway. Maybe create a folder to keep all of this in. And then, so now my warm colorway saved, and now I'm gonna go on to my cool color, or I'm gonna do my neutral colorway. So again, to change the colors, we've already separated the colors. We indexed out the print. So because we did that, we have a color table, and that's how you'll go in and change your colors. So instead of a white background, I'm gonna go ahead and do black. I'm gonna copy that number. I'll say okay. Looks like we have it twice. And then, you know I have gray on my color card, so I can go and grab that guy and copy his number, come back to Photoshop. Maybe this red is now gray. And I can say, okay, maybe this off red is also gray, but a different shade where it's a little bit lighter. So I can play with the tint here in our little picker. I'll say, okay. And then the last one, I'll also paste. Maybe this is closer to white. You know, anyways, I'm just going to keep playing with this. Am I going to keep it just gray shades? Am I going to have a pop color? Maybe my pop color is honestly just white, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is where you guys do the work. I think me doing this video is kind of pointless at this point because it's just you guys got to figure out what color is best for you on your artwork, and you'll just change them. And then once you're done, you can, you know, export the PNG to share with the class, and then that PNG is ready to go to drop it into Illustrator and use it as a swatch. All that good stuff. So I'm just kind of finishing up here. You know, anyways, I'm going really fast. Normally I would spend way more time trying to figure out my colorway, but there we go. Here's another neutral colorway. You know, if you're happy with it, you can say File, Export, quick export as PNG. But I think where I lose a lot of time is just trying to make sure that I actually like the colorway. So that'll probably happen to you guys as well. But okay, so I want to see 3 colorways of this guy. And as always, if you guys have questions, please reach out and let me know.